Just one sec, okay?
I'm stuck.
What is it?
Stuck. I don't know what I got yet. Mom, look, I got a list.
A list.
Could you read it to me?
Yes, the list says, Dear Charlotte, happy birthday. I hope you like this present. I made a hat to match the dolls so that you could match. Do you think that I should make one for Samantha? We love you, Chrissy and Greg. You think they should make one for Samantha? Well, what is it? Oh my word.
Ezra? Whoa, Mom.
Whoa, Mom. Oh, Charlotte, she's beautiful. Put the hats on. That one's for you. So you can match your dolly. What's wrong, Ezra? You want a doggy? Should we go get dog? We'll go get dog, okay?